In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool that can help streamline your workflow, and understanding how to effectively use dependencies is crucial for managing tasks efficiently. First, let's start by looking at how you can add dependencies directly from a task. Begin by clicking on the task you're interested in. Once this task details open, look for the section labeled Dependency. This feature allows you to link tasks in such a way that the completion of one is required before another can proceed. You'll see options to either mark the task as blocked by or as blocking others. The blocked by status means that the task you're viewing cannot be completed until another specific task is finished. Conversely, if the task is blocking other tasks, it means that this task must be completed for others to proceed. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your workflow progresses smoothly, as tasks that rely on each other are clearly defined and visible. Next, let's explore another way to manage dependencies by using Asana's timeline view. Head over to the Timeline tab to see your project laid out with a visual representation. The timeline provides a bird's-eye view of how tasks interconnect within a project. Notice the lines between specific tasks? These represent dependencies. Simply click and drag from one task to another to establish a dependency link. This visual way of connecting tasks can be incredibly beneficial for spotting bottlenecks or dependencies that need to be addressed. If your team is working on a project with numerous moving parts, the timeline is an excellent resource for ensuring everything is aligned. By using these methods, you create a structured workflow where tasks move along in a logical sequence. This is essential for maintaining clarity and ensuring that team members are not working ahead of schedule, which can lead to confusion and potential overlaps. It also assists in planning, as it highlights tasks that need to be prioritized to prevent project delays. And that's how you integrate dependencies into your workflow using Asana. This powerful feature underscores how tasks within a project are interrelated and ensures that your team stays on track by only advancing when prerequisites are met. Remember, efficiently managing your dependencies can lead to improved project outcomes and more seamless collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your project management tools. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.